Hey there, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get reverb for your lead vocal sounding right using Waves One Knob Wetter plugin. It's really easy to use, just a simple down. I'm going to show you how to get it right every time you try. I'm Sir Classy, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So right here we have Waves One Knob Wetter plugin. It's currently turned on, but when I play it back, you're not going to hear anything because it's not active yet.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life. I need you in my life.
Right? So this is just one button. All you need is one button. There's nothing else for you to press or to click or to adjust or modify. It's literally one knob, right? So we'll just take it here and then we'll listen.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life. I need you.
Let's take it all the way up here again and see.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't.
Let's take it all the way here and see how it sounds.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life.
You can notice how bright the reverb is sounding and how washed up it's washing up the vocal, right?
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't.
So let's take it back down here, right? Just as soon as we start hearing a noticeable change.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I.
And if maybe you're confused, if you can't really hear the change, turn it off and compare.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you.
And now when I turn it back on,
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life. I need you in my life. I love you.
this is not the last thing, right? You still will need one more step, which is you adjust the mix level. Either from here, right? You can just toggle down, or you can come to this the same thing, like they literally work the same way. So I'm just going to use this button right here since it's easier or closer. So I'm going to adjust this in real time till I feel like it's just enough, because we don't want reverb washing up the lead vocal.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life. I need you in my life. I love you, see, I need you. See, you love me and can't hurt you. So my baby, be my wife. So my baby, be my wife. Girl, I love you and you love me too. Can I hold you? Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt you, cause I need you in my life. I need you in my life. I love you, see, I need you. See, you love me and can't hurt you. So my baby, be my wife. So my baby, be my.
All right, I think this is really good.
Love you,
Let's turn it off to compare.
love you, I need you. See, I want.
Then turn it on.
Love you, I need you. See, I want you, can't hurt.
So if you've been struggling with getting pro mixes, making better beats, recording vocals, I do offer one-on-one training. Yes, one-on-one training. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says one-on-one training. You fill a very simple form so I can help understand you better and what you need and how I can help you get there. So when you fill this form, I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible and we can get started on your journey to making much better music in no time. Trust me, it doesn't have to be a hustle. Making music doesn't have to be a hustle. You don't have to spend many endless hours on YouTube looking for tutorials. With just a very short time, within about 4 to 6 weeks, roughly within that range, I can get you to your goals in no time. Yes, with money back guaranteed. So don't forget to click the link in the description after you're done with this video to fill up a form, and I'm going to get back to you pronto.